Squad. For everyone new, welcome to Kiara's video. I'm here with my son.
Hello.
In this video, you are going to see him unbox some brand new roller skates that I recently purchased for him.
Let's get started.
These are the Mayhem 2 quad roller skates by Rio Roller. I purchased these skates online. They cost $99.95 before taxes. I purchased a size 13 in these skates for my son. He usually wears a size 13 in men's tennis shoes, and he said that these skates fit comfortable on his feet. This is a flat skate because it does not have a heel. It is made out of vegan friendly materials. It is constructed out of materials like the PVC leather. I really like the colors on these skates. I especially like the contrast between the black and white, and then the slime green is a fun accent color. This skate was designed after the skate scene in the 1990s, and it is designed similar to a roller derby boot. Here are a few specs about the skates. They have aluminum trucks, high impact chassis, 94A bushings, ABEC 7 bearings, and fixed stoppers. Of course, my puppy enjoyed messing with the cardboard box. These skates are very easy to lace up. You would lace them up just like you do a pair of boots or tennis shoes. However, the laces are pretty short, which is disappointing, but I can purchase shoelaces from almost anywhere. Most likely I will purchase boot laces, and that should work. This is what is known as the Velcro speed strap. This is the bottom of the quad skate. The ABEC 7 bearings are supposed to run smoothly. I have already taught my son how to move forward, stop, pivot, turn around, and he knows how to do dribbles. My puppy is very curious about my son's new roller skates. As I said before, my son said these skates are very comfortable. I did not buy a size up or a size down. They're not too tight. They're not too loose. They fit excellently. I like the shiny toe stoppers and wheels against the matte boot. Roller skating is a new hobby that I decided to take on now. I also took on gardening. I am teaching my oldest son how to roller skate. My mother, she also purchased the same roller skates that I have, and I will show her some roller skate moves. Also, my friend Lakia, she said that she's interested in skating with me as well, so I can't wait until she purchases her roller skates and we can head out to a park or somewhere. I will eventually purchase some outdoor wheels for my son and I, but these shall do for now. I know that when my mom comes over, she plans on skating in my basement with me. I am excited about my son's upcoming skate journey. I took my boys out to the park and met up with some friends. I didn't take many videos. Here's one clip. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to Kiana Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. You'll see me in my next video. Goodbye.